Hi, I'm Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majumbo Food Services. The link is in the description down below.
For our ribeye steak, we need 500 grams ribeye, frozen green peas, 2 to 4 cloves of garlic, aioli. If you'd like to know more, please leave your comments below. 2 tablespoons to half a cup of butter, half a tablespoon of Himalayan salt, a dash of white pepper, half a tablespoon and 1 teaspoon thyme, half a tablespoon and 1 teaspoon rosemary, half a tablespoon with tenderizer, Spanish paprika, cayenne pepper, olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, silicone stasher bag, measuring spoon, tongs, ladle spoon, and a pan. Ribeye, add meat tenderizer, Himalayan salt, white pepper, half a tablespoon thyme, and half a tablespoon rosemary. Rub the herbs on all sides of the meat. Rub the garlic after rubbing your herbs. You may add 1 tablespoon olive oil, cayenne pepper, Spanish paprika, Worcestershire sauce. This will give extra flavor and moisture to your meat. I skipped this one because of my health reason. Put your meat in a silicone stasher bag. Or in a glass container. Preheat your pan. Put the olive oil. In a very heat pan, sear all sides of the meat 1 minute per side. Tips on how to cook your ribeye steak. 1. Fresh meat. 2. Make sure your meat is not frozen, cool to touch but not too cold. 3. Put your rub before cooking your steak, at least 30 minutes. 4. Different meat sizes need different cooking time. Best to use meat thermometer. 5. Basting, cutting against the grain. Rest your meat is in this video. 6. Temperature of cooked steak meat. Disclaimer, this is just a guide. It depends on your kind of meat steak, meat temperature before cooking, and any other factors that may affect your cooking process. It takes a lot of patience and practice to master the skill. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. In the same pan, add butter, garlic, from the marinade or new cloves of garlic, thyme, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Basting a butter for a few more minutes each side to absorb more flavor. You may check it with a meat thermometer if it is 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Rest your steak. While your steak is resting, cook the buttered green peas. Slice your steak against the grain. Our finished product, ribeye steak, medium rare.
Thank you very much for all your love and support. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.